You can start a YouTube channel today without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without learning complicated editing. And no, this is not some fake guru trick. This is a real method using AI tools that beginners are using right now to create videos in minutes. The biggest reason most people never start YouTube is because they think they need a camera, editing skills, and hours of work. But what if you could skip all of that? What if you could type a script, let AI generate the voice, create the video automatically, and have a full YouTube video ready the same day? Today, I'll show you exactly how beginners are making faceless videos using AI in 3 simple steps. First, you need a script. Instead of writing everything manually, you can use AI to generate your video idea and structure in seconds. Just type your topic, and the AI gives you a ready-to-use script. You can use AI tools like Jasper, or you can simply use ChatGPT, just like I did in this video. Next, you turn that script into a voiceover. Voice tools can produce natural-sounding voices that don't sound robotic anymore. This means you don't even need a microphone. 11 Labs would be the best AI tool I recommend for that. Step 3. Video creation. Finally, you generate the actual video. Tools like InVideo can turn your text into a complete video with visuals, subtitles, and music automatically. Instead of spending hours editing, the AI does the work for you in minutes. And now the video is ready to export and upload to YouTube without filming anything. Notice that InVideo adds automatically voices and captions to the generated video based on the script you gave in the prompting. But you can add your own voice or the voice you created with 11 Labs in the editing before you export the final result. It's totally up to you. And the result is a professional-looking video that you can upload to YouTube immediately.
Subscribers, and income, without showing your face, without expensive equipment, and without being a video expert. Today, AI can do most of the work for you. If you are a beginner, this is your chance. Many people want to start a channel on YouTube.
But they stop before they begin. They think, I don't look good on camera. I don't know how to edit. I don't have money for gear. So they keep watching others succeed, while their own ideas stay stuck in their head. Faceless YouTube channels. Channels where your face is never shown.
This is why faceless channels are exploding right now, because the barrier to entry is almost gone. Why this is powerful. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to show your face. And you don't need years of experience. If you stay consistent, you can build a channel using just AI tools and your ideas. If you want to try this method yourself, check the link in the description to the tool I used. And if you want more tutorials on making money with AI and YouTube, subscribe so you don't miss the next videos.
Finally, use video tools to add images, clips, and subtitles.